Hello, Deborah here. Under the category of, are we having a good time this week? No. Here's why. Let me show you. Da, 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 da. This is essentially like the old-fashioned trusses. This is one of these sports, I don't know, call it back braces. Years ago, and I never did know what it was I did years ago, when we first met our GP in the next village over, she had taken over from our previous doctor, and we really liked him, but he had a temporary retirement. Anyway, too long a story. We went in to see her, and I said, I'm concerned. I've got such strong bone pain right now, and I'm just gasping in pain, and I don't know what to do. I said, could you write me an ordinance, which is the word for prescription or referral. So I said, could you write me that for a bone scan at the hospital? And she said, absolutely. And she said, come over here and let me see something. And she did write it, and I went and got the bone scan. And it showed all the different places in my body I had arthritis and spondylosis and things, and how everything is getting older is not fun. So this is going backward about 7 years. And she found exactly when I pointed to the place on my back that was sore. And she said, oh, it's just your muscles. I went, what? And she said, muscles, it's your muscles. And I realized what she was saying was muscles. She's Romanian. And she was right. It turned out to be that. And she said, go and get one of these. So I did. And this has turned out to be my friend several times throughout the last few years, where all of a sudden I'll do something and I never know what triggers it. But right now, as long as I'm looking straight forward, I'm fine. And I'm not going to do the bad thing if I try to rotate my entire body to the left or to the right. I am in screaming pain. So, thrilling. I'm going to stand up now. I'll cut this portion out next. And I'm going to put on my apron and get started. Mark is going off on his once a month overnight camp out. Fortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to be raining. The temperature's ish, okay. And I try really hard never to inconvenience him because he does so much for me all the time as it is. And I try not to make him cancel any of his adventures. He needs that. It's good for him. It's his personal time. And it's his time with his friend, Tris. And he doesn't need to be having me going, no, don't leave the house because I'm afraid my back will do. Yeah. If I was that worried about it, what I'd do is have some sort of dinner, something, I don't care if it's fruit and cheese, and I would stay on the latex mattress in the bed quietly with not ibuprofen, whatever I can find. And I would just sit with my laptop and be quiet and then go to sleep early. So anyway, back to painting. That was enough explanation of that. When I do these segments, a perfect example is the other day when I did all of these and I made the scribes into the orange paint that I had placed over the top of the chromium yellow. I have long explanations about all kinds of crazy stuff, and then they end up being edited out. So I'm trying not to bore you to death with Deborah's random thoughts because I talk to myself all day as I work. I'm doing this going, oh, Deborah, you could do it better than that. Yeah, I do. I actually do. All right, now I'm going to go and take my phone over because Mark looked at the video that I posted with me with my hair tied up with the red scarf, and he said, that's not a good angle. And I had the camera over here on the side, And all you could see in some shots were my hand or part of the canvas. It wasn't showing enough. So I've got this lovely little thing that I bought from HAMA, H-A-M-A, on Amazon well over a year ago. And it has like a little mini tripod that I can set up on a table. But what's also nice about it is it has, if I can get it out, it has a little holder that you just spread it apart and you put the phone in. And it gives me a handhold. And I find this very convenient to put down inside a purse too. I can just reach in, grab it, find it in the purse. Can always find it in the purse. So I'll put this over here for right now. And I will go and put this across over on. And you ought to be able to see me doing it and hear me grumbling because I have my microphone on. Wish me luck, I'm going in. All right, this is very similar to, turn on the phone first so you can see where it's looking. Oh. Ooh, that's a strong tension. All right. Oh, goody. All right, it's actually showing. Seriously, oh goody, it's actually showing most of what I want. Let me rotate this backward a bit. See how we can get to that. And tighten it back, reduce it down. Honestly, I do understand why some people do every single bit of their channels. All right, tighten it down again. I understand why some people do every bit of their channels with an iPhone. Golly. All right, now I'm going back around to the other side. And I think that the camera on the other tripod is probably seeing me do that. Oh, cool. And now I'm back over here. So, today we're going to start unraveling part of what I did yesterday. And you'll see me just sit here quietly for a few minutes because I have to think about things. This will get cut out. You don't need to see me sitting and thinking. Seriously, oh goody, it's actually showing most of what I want. Let me rotate this backward a bit. See how we can get to that. And tighten it back. Reduce it down. Honestly, I do understand why some people do every single bit of their channels. All right, tighten it down again. I understand why some people do every bit of their channels with an iPhone. Golly. All right, now I'm going back around to the other side. And I think that the camera on the other tripod is probably seeing me do that. Oh, cool. Be bold, Deborah. Be bold. And again, we get to do that twist and turn with a canvas this size. I need to measure and be able to, well, let's just do it now. Oh, come on, don't fight me. All right. 30, 60. Oh, this one's 80 long. Okay, 80. It's good to know, actually. Stand up slowly so you don't hurt your back. There's 30. It's okay, it's 60 by 80. It's a good size.